Hey guys, how's it going? This is the third time making this video, so hopefully I'll get it right this time. But anyways, previous time I had my sound muted, and the first time it was just bad. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how to set up everything in here. You should, when you open it up, it'll look something like this, or hopefully almost exactly like this, with the exception of that. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and expand this outward, because I hate not having this thing on the side. It helps so much. And you're going to go ahead and go to mods, because you're going to want to create your mod folder first. So you're going to right click on mods, click new folder, and then rename it to mymod underscore just mymod, just you get what I mean. But anyways, you're going to go ahead and get these folders, these files from the generic mod. So you're going to just go ahead and copy this one over. You're going to drag it here, and you can click copy here, and then you can go ahead and do the same thing with these two. Except instead of clicking copy here, you're going to click create child here, because that way whenever the devs update these files will remain the same. They'll change as the devs change them, because if you don't do that and they change it, you just copied it, it'll be completely uncompatible. That's my understanding. I don't know if that'll actually happen, but that's what I've been told in the past. Alright, and once you've done that, you're pretty much getting close to being set up, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to click generic mod. Don't know what happened there. You're going to rename everything. You're going to do generic mod underscore mymod. Do the same thing here. Once it goes generic mod underscore mymod. Same thing here. Name it generic mode underscore mymod. That way it'll everything will be named the same way it's supposed to be named, but it'll have your mod on the end, so you can distinguish it from the base folders, which is going to be important in about 20 seconds. But anyways, guys, go ahead and pause the video now while you're doing that. That way when you resume, you'll be right on the next part. Alright, so the next part is going to be when you go to Window, should be up here at the top. Then you go to World Settings, which is going to open this fancy little thing right here. Anyways, you're going to go to the bottom of all these little picture things. And you're going to go to Primal Game Data Override, and you're going to put your generic underscore mymod. So you make sure you select yours out of the few. There should be a bunch up here, or just at least 4 or 5. I've created a couple of these myself. But just go to the generic mod underscore mymod. That's how. That's why the previous stage was important, to distinguish it from their other ones. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Game mode override. Then you're going to go to test game mode underscore generic mod underscore mymod. What that basically does is it changes this little world right here to be consistent with these mods. Basically, like everything you do in this world here, which you're going to click, you can click play and just kind of screw around in it. Gives you a bunch of guns to shoot, will be the same as what you're editing in your mod. So if I want to test that theory, actually, before we test that theory, let's go ahead and Primal Game Data underscore BP, and you're going to go to I'm sorry for that, guys. I just keep I'm not feeling great today, and I've just had a little bit in my throat, crap in my throat. And you're going to see test game mode. Once the default game mode, you're going to override it with your mymod. Should be simple. If what I'm saying is confusing, because I know this grammar isn't even close to correct, just let me know, and I'll try to clarify that in the comments. But I think I'm getting my point across, and I think you guys get you're picking up what I'm putting down. Anyways, if you're going to test this just for the hell of it, we can go ahead and just remove all the engrams just to make sure it's working. I'm going to go ahead and compile that, and then save it, and then we can try it in our little world. So we're now in our little world. And we're going to click I, and then we're going to see, oh, we have no engrams, because we deleted all of them. And then we're going to go ahead and exit that, and then we're going to go back to Primal Game Data BP, and I'm going to click the little reset to default, which is really handy if you really screw something up. You can just reset it to default, and now you have all your engrams again. You're going to recompile that and resave it. Always compile and save whenever you edit a file. Click play again, click I, or V, go straight engrams, and you can see all your engrams again. So you can see real quick, that's one little step. There's going to be one of the things we're going to be changing later on, but it's just one of the easy things to go ahead and screw with. But anyways, guys, that pretty much sums up this little thing. I guess I'll show you a quick trick with this. If you hold right click, you can look around, and you can use WASD to move, and if you hold left click, you do weird stuff. I don't like it. Don't click left click. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. And be sure to like if you think I did a good job. But if you have any questions, or I didn't clarify anything, or it just doesn't work at all, and I completely skip something somehow, it's entirely possible. Just let me know, because, I mean, I think I covered everything. I mean, I'm fairly sure I did, but if I didn't, please let me know, and I'll try to fix that. Once again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.